Hi guys, my name is Umair and welcome to Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this brooder which have a capacity of 100 chicks of chicken eggs and 100 chicks of 200 chicks of quail. So it is a round shape and its dimension is 3 by 3 and height is 1 feet 12 inches. So here's the thing, it works just like an incubator, but it have a lower temperature for 32 to 35 Celsius, and it will stay make it warm from the one side. From this side, if you can see, on this side it will always get warm, and on this side it will always get cold, because if they wanted the cold they will move on this area, and if they want the warm thing they will move to this area under this bulb. And as soon as it will reach 35 it will turn off the bulb, and it will get to 32, lower than 32 it will turn on the bulb. So here's the thing. Alright, let's talk about its shape. Why it's shaped in a ring, it is why it is in a circle, why not is in a square, which is easy to make. It is because when the chicks are in a need of warm, they just stack up behind each other, and the front ones don't have any space to go or move around, so they just get stuck in the front and they just get sick and die. That's why we make this kind of round brooder, so they always have a free space to roam and don't stuck up behind anyone. So if they want the heat they will go to the right way, and if they want the cold one, so they will go into the left way. This ply I am using, the hardwood, is called butterfly, which is very useful when it is a wet thing. It can withhold the wetness. So if you go in here, we can use this as normally, or if the chick are fancy one, so we have to put some kind of wooden waste, which is a bigger one, not the small one, or they might eat the wood and they might get sick. So I think we can use this as it is, or we can make a bed of leaves or waste of wood chips. And be careful when putting the chicks food and water. If we are gonna put the water, it should be very narrow kind of plate, and just put some stones in it, so they just only gonna drink the water, don't take a bath in it. So it's the thing, if you want to make your brooder this kind of incubator or egg turner, you can search Umair Workshop incubator, egg turner, in brooder. So you can see all of my videos about tutorials and you can make your own. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.